There's...
He bring 2 puppies to his car.
I see a puppy. I don't see the other one. He's barking at you. So I try to eat in the car so Josiah can sleep. That doesn't really work out so well. And then I typically have the car running so it doesn't get hot. I can roll down the windows, but I can't shut her mouth. And so most of the time, I don't roll down the windows. Because she forgets she's talking out loud with an earshot. Awesome job.
Space on the couch than in bed.
Somebody's excited.
Get in there.
He's reaching for me. He's reaching for me.
That is just... Oh, dang it. Oh, where has my little wife gone? Oh, where could she be? We got split up. I don't see her. Found her. Huh.
Hey, we was looking for you, Dad.
Yeah, ditto. Well, actually, I wasn't really looking for myself. I knew where I was.
We were looking for you. And where are you, Dad?
I've been walking around the whole store trying to figure out where you guys were.
And we were trying to...
I got all the food.
And we were trying to find you, Dad.
It is
Where's the train to
165.
Dad, where was the pup?
They got capes on their socks. It's a very dapper outfit. His sweater. Oh, it's a hat. Suspenders, bow tie. Little preppy boy.
I love these.
They're like $40 outfits. They've even got leather on the sleeves. Is that real leather?
Yeah, man.
Suede? Crazy.
Yeah, this is Christmas.
There's some more over there, like suits and stuff.
Look.
What?
Oh, no.
Right about the back.
Look at the back of the arm.
Right about the back of the arm. Corduroy.
That is so cute. I wanna hold it.
Baby roulette for us. Placing your bets right or left?
Left.
Okay. Means right here. Sometimes it gets stuck. I lost. That's right. Okay, right or left?
Left.
Ah, lost again. It was right. Right.
Left.
Ah, you got it. Left. Right.
Right.
Oh, made it. What is up with this stroller? It's got a sidecar, but a baby's not going to fit in it. You put your purse in it. You really want your baby going through your purse? I guess it's for those parents that don't mind their children chewing on their keys. I don't know. First time to be in World Market. Michelle's excited just inside the door. Elijah feels sick. Supposedly it freaks him out. And listening to the Candyman full blast. Huh? This is awesome, a balloon race car. You blow up the balloon and then it sounds like the car has gas. Man, that's going really crazy.
So what's this one?
These are cool toys, man. Huh.
What are these stuff?
What are tiddlywinks? I've heard of them. I've never seen them before. Huh. Anti-monopoly. Real estate trading game for the 21st century. Huh. Man, I used to play magnet games all the time in the car. Like, we had car bingo. I've never seen these, though. These would have been fun for the road trip. Not yet made it out of the toy aisle. Having fun with all these things. Turn your body into a human conductor of electricity. Touch both ends to make a human circuit. Then they've got like a Rubik's Sudoku. There's all sorts of stuff. Remember these? There are some songs that are just ruined for me because of a different version that I've seen. Like on YouTube with this song, I always see Animal on the drums. He's behind you. They're too slow. She made it in the store. Bless you. She likes this curtain.
I love it. I love everything.
She doesn't like the cheaper one. That would go in our bathroom because it's blue. Probably because it's cheaper. Okay, has anyone ever gone back to childhood memories and noticed something was wrong? Like, wait, one sec.
Or a choo-choo with square wheels on your caboose. Or a water pistol that shoots jelly. We're all misfits.
How would you like to be a bird that doesn't fly? I'd swim.
Or a cowboy who rides. And I came to say,
Here comes a bird that can't fly.
your nose so bright. Won't you guide my sleigh tonight?
He throws him out without an umbrella! The poor little bird can't fly! This kid does not want to eat spoon food anymore. He won't have it. He gets frustrated. All he wants is finger food. I don't like the finger food because he cannot do it without getting messy. He looks like he's been working with drywall all day. I have to give him a shower all the time. Getting so close to getting all those vlogs up. Some are short and a little disappointing. Like, some are just pictures. And then the ride home, like I said, you can't really do a whole lot because you're driving. So, there's some that are like only 2 to 3 minutes. It's pretty bad. But I got some good footage. Kind of nice to be back in the swing of things. The house seriously needs to be clean, which is sad because my mother-in-law was over and my mom and kind of cleaned the floor Monday and it's already a mess. Got a lot of stuff to do. Doing laundry. And I don't know how, but I've got junk all over the counters and the sink, on the table, kids' rooms. I still need to get organized, have like a giveaway pile, or throwaway pile, do spring cleaning in fall, because I'm about to bust out some more decorations. Well, not necessarily more. I think we do have more Christmas than fall. But, yes, exchange some decorations. Yeah. Michelle's getting involved in Melaleuca, trying to take all the courses. I've tried it once, but I didn't really have anybody to really try to sell to. Kind of a hermit. And I don't really have... Huh?
Are you an elf yet?
Huh?
Are you an elf yet?
Yeah. Like, I had a lot of people that I could go to in church, but now I don't. But then I realized I make friends with all sort of people in the restaurant business. Like, what?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Making a video?
And I was watching Minecraft.
Okay.
A new one.
Okay. Like Chick-fil-A and Chili's and
Dad,
those guys.
you should see it.
Grr.
Oh, your mind up.
It's gonna blow my mind up. Elijah wants me to take a look at some Minecraft stuff. So I will probably just wrap it up now and say until tomorrow. A giant inflatable Mickey. And a shivering snowman.